Do you know many people are having trouble with getting their new leaf blower to turn on? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power cord. Check if the power cord is securely plugged into a functional outlet. Step 2. Check fuse. Ensure the circuit fuse is not blown and replace it if necessary. Step 3. Verify vacuum tube. Verify the vacuum tube is correctly assembled and secured. Step 4. Adjust fan cover. Rotate the fan cover center until it clicks into place. Step 5. Reset circuit breaker. Reset the circuit breaker if tripped and check for frequent issues. Step 6. Inspect power cord. Inspect for any damage to the power cord or switch. With these steps, your leaf blower should power on effortlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Craftsman users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.